Hello, children. Shall we start our today's session? What is our today's session? Rhymes. And I will tell you one new story, Fox and the Grapes. Okay? Before going to session, we will do prayer. Join your hands. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. Okay, now I will tell the story. Last week, what story I tell you, remember? Yes, Thirsty Crow, right? Now you can say that story. Yes, today I am going to tell one more story, new story. Fox and the Grapes. Okay. The Fox and the Grapes. Long ago, there lived a fox who loved to eat. See, one forest. In that forest, one fox lived there. Okay, he always loved to eat. Okay, then one day the fox was very hungry. He started searching for food in the forest. See, the fox was very hungry. One day, fox was very hungry. He started to searching food in the forest. Okay. Then, in the grapeyard, he saw some bunch of grapes hanging from the vines. Then he started searching food, no? Then in the graveyard, he saw some bunch of grapes. They're hanging in the vine. The fox was very happy. See, fox was very happy to see the grapes. Then his mouth started watering. See, it started watering. Wow, yummy grapes. Wow, he's thinking, okay, I'm so hungry. I want to eat grapes. Then his mouth was started watering. Okay. But the grapes were very high. See, grapes is very high. He tried to jump many times, but he could not reach the grapes. See, he jumped many times, but he's not able to touch the grapes only. Then what he think? Then finally he saw very tired. That fox jumped many times, no? It was very tired. Moreover, able is not able to jump only. He was very sad. See, I see that fox face. He was very sad. He's not able to touch the grapes only, right? He's tried many times, but could not reach the grapes, and he's not able to eat the grape, right? Then he was very sad. And he was walking, he said, I am sure that those grapes are very sour. Maybe that grapes are not good. That is very sour only. That's why I'm not able to eat. He's thinking like that. Right? What is the moral of the story? It's it's easy to despise what you cannot have. Nothing comes easy without a hard work. Okay, this is the moral of the story. If we are not doing more hard work, no, we are not able to get anything. We have to do hard work. Okay, understood? One more time, shall I explain? The Fox and the Grapes. What is the story name, children? The Fox and the Grapes. What is the story name? Fox and the Grapes. Long ago, there lived a fox who loved to eat. See, one long ago, one fox lived in one forest. He loved to eat. Where fox live, children? You can give the answer now. Where fox live? Fox live in a forest. Okay. What he loved? He loved to eat. What fox loved? He loved to eat. One day, the fox was very hungry. He started searching for food in the forest. What happened to that fox? He was very hungry one day. What he started? He started searching for food. What fox doing? Children, searching for food. Where he is searching for food? In forest. Where he is searching? In forest. What happened to the fox? Fox was very hungry. He started where he started searching? In forest. What he is searching? Searching for food. Okay. Then in graveyard, he saw some bunch of grapes hanging from the vines. See, so many grapes are hanging in vine, right? What he saw? He saw grapes, right? Who saw the grapes? Fox. Fox saw some grapes. Okay. Next, the fox was very happy. See his face? He was very happy. See the grapes, no? He was very happy. Mouth started watering. See, water came his from mouth. Mouth, right? Started watering from his mouth. He was very happy. See, I'm feeling so much hungry. Finally, I got food. Huh? Then he was very happy. He saw the grapes. But the grapes were very high. See, grapes are very high. It's in that very high, no? He's not able to read. What he did? He started jumping. What fox did? Jumping, jumping, jumping. Full tired only. He's not able to reach. See, so many times fox was jumping, jumping, jumping. But what happened? He's able to reach the grape? No. He was so tired. He's not able to touch the grapes only. Oh, what shall I do? I'm feeling hungry, but I'm not able to touch the grape only. Then he's thinking, finally, he go back and he said, so maybe grapes are not good. Grapes are sour. I'm sure that grapes are not good. That those grapes are very sour. That's why I'm not able to eat. He's thinking like that. What he's saying? Grapes are sour. What fox said, children? Grapes are sour. Okay. What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? It's easy to despise what you cannot have. Nothing comes easy without a hard work. Okay. You have to do more hard work. Then only you can get something. Otherwise, you are not writing, you are not reading. How you can become intelligent? No, you have to do hard work. Then only you practice nice means you can write, you can identify everything, right? That is the moral of the story. Enjoy story? Yes. Next week you have to tell to me. You make record and send through WhatsApp, okay? Tell to story your parents also, to me also. Nobody said that story, that thirsty crow. Huh? This story you try, okay, children? Okay. I hope you all enjoy, you all practice. Okay. Now I will repeat all rhymes today. I'm not teaching any new rhymes today. I will repeat all the rhymes. How much I teach, I will repeat that. Okay?